Hey guys, today I want to talk about a little bit about the journey of the soul or the Atman and how it's kind of likened to a sacred pilgrimage through the cosmos. So, this pilgrimage is not merely a passage through time and space, but a deeply transformative odyssey towards understanding the essence of existence itself. So, at the heart of this spiritual voyage lies the concept that we're all Brahman, and that is God, the one ultimate God, the ultimate reality, the source, basically, of all that is. So, from this perspective, the cycle of incarnations can be viewed kind of like a divine curriculum, a school for gods, if you will, where each life, with its unique blend of joy and suffering, serves kind of like as a lesson in compassion, grace, and simply the profound nature of creation. So, kind of imagine this, if you will. It's a little bit of an analogy. Think of a vast ocean, boundless, serene, and this is the Ocean of Brahman, the infinite consciousness from which all existence springs forth. Each wave that rises from this ocean can be seen as the individual soul, or the Atman, manifesting here in the physical realm. These waves, though appearing separate and distinct, are really never disconnected from the ocean. They rise, they fall, and they merge back into the vastness from which they came, only to rise again. So this eternal cycle of creation, preservation, and then dissolution mirrors the journey of our souls through countless incarnations. So in this divine school, each incarnation is basically a classroom where the soul encounters various lessons in the form of life experiences. Just as a student progresses from grade to grade, learning and growing with each passing year, the soul evolves through its experiences of joy, sorrow, love, loss, and the myriad of emotions that color the human experience. So suffering in this context is not really a punishment, but it's actually a profound teacher. It teaches us compassion by allowing us to understand the depth of pain, thereby enabling us to offer genuine empathy to others. It teaches us grace as we learn to navigate the trials of life with dignity, peace, and understanding that these experiences are really just transient waves in the ocean of existence, much like the analogy. Here's another analogy. Consider this one of a potter shaping clay into various forms. So each vessel is very unique in its shape and its purpose. It undergoes the fire of the kiln to emerge stronger and much more complete. So similarly, our souls, through the fire of life's challenges, are shaped, they're strengthened, and they move us even closer to realizing our true nature as Brahman. Suffering and joy are both tools in which we are creators of our own destiny. So sculpt our understanding of existence and we learn the essence of pure awareness. So in the grand cosmic design, where each soul is both the student and the teacher, we learn what it means to be a creator of all things. So we continue to understand that our true essence is not the pain that we endure or the pleasure that we seek, but the unbounded, luminous awareness that observes, experiences, and ultimately transcends all dualities. So the realization that we're all Brahman, participating in the divine play of Leela, is the ultimate lesson of this school for gods. It's here, in the acknowledgement of our oneness with the source of all creation, that we find liberation, or what the Hindus call moksha, the release from the cycle of birth and death, and awakening to our true, eternal nature, pure, infinite consciousness, or God. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening.